Hi guys, in today's video I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to install the IKEA Sandvedel, and this is just a sheer blinds that I wanted for the bay window. So it comes with a few items. This is one, second one, and then of course the clip. It also has a template as well as the curtain itself. So starting off with unboxing everything, and then I just want to show you how the mechanism works before I go ahead and install this. So what you have here are the two clips. The first clip is for the left side, and then what we'll do is it just flips on straight like that, and this is the side that holds the curtain. The other side is actually a slide mechanism, so that's this slide right here. You should hear a click. It is snugly fit, and then if you want to remove that in the future, there is actually just this clip here in which you push and then just pull that straight back out. So that is pretty much it. All it takes is really just screwing in these two into the area that you want it in according to the template. So the template actually already has holes in which you can just put in a bit of painter's tape, line it up in the center of your window, and then go ahead and install the screws. So let's go ahead and do that now. This is the area in which I will be installing the roller blinds. So there is a little bit of an overhang or a drop ceiling, but I have measured that my tools do fit in this area. Obviously, I have the first one already installed, and this is the 60 cm curtain. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be installing the 120 cm. So the total length of the window is 180. I decided to go with 2 curtains instead of 3, and I think that would be the perfect fit. So this is the first piece that we will be installing. This actually has a little bit of give. The screws do not come with the set, but anyways, I did get like 3/4 of an inch screw, and it actually is adjustable left or right. This also has a little bit of give. So once this is screwed on and you're trying to put on the dowel piece, it actually will bend a little bit. So it's actually very easy to adjust. Right now, we're going to go ahead and use this measuring tool in order to mark off the holes that we will be drilling into. So once we have the markings on, we can just go ahead and remove this piece. And then what I'm going to do is just go in with a drill bit, pilot drill bit first. From here on, it was just a matter of drilling large enough holes in order to fit the tocks and the screws, and then screwing on both sides of the brackets for the roller blinds. So I did have a little bit of a hard time because this is a cement wall, and it does take a bit of strength in order to drill in everything properly. I also took a hammer and just tried to get the tocks all in as flat as I could. It is sticking out a little bit, but I don't think that's going to be a really big issue because the curtain blinds are very, very light. So it's very forgiving, and the fact that this is a drop ceiling as well is going to conceal some of the work that may not look very, very professional. But overall, I am pretty satisfied with the way that I hung these curtains. So once the brackets are screwed into place, it's just a matter of putting on the curtains. You just place on the first side, and then the second side will actually click into place. So it's just a matter of like putting the piece and fiddling around with it a little bit up until you hear a click. So you just want to push it into place and you should hear that click, and the curtains are finished. So I just took some scissors, took off all the labels as well as the sticker, and then I put on the clip that comes with this curtain in order to pull it down and allow the motor to move it up and down. Overall, I really like these curtains. They are just sheer enough to allow in sunlight for my plants, and I am really, really happy with how this project turned out. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see all of you in the next one. Bye.